Good afternoon, everyone. This is Ed Harrison with the Pikes Peak Strategic Group and the Ameriplan Corporation. And what I want to speak to you about this afternoon, this is April the 14th. And we realize that all of us are pent in. We're at home now. We've been sequestered at home probably for weeks now. But as things move forward and the country will open up eventually, and you will need to get to those dentist appointments that you've been forced to do without for the last 3, 4, 5 months. I know I'm behind. My wife and I are behind. And what's going to happen is once there is some partial openings or total openings, not quite sure what that's going to be yet, you're going to be behind the curve. So what I'd like to offer you this afternoon is take a strong look at, and maybe, we'll get the kids back to school in fall. And when you want to get the kids back to school, they're going to have those physicals, and that's going to include, getting some dental work done possibly. So what we'd like to do is encourage you to look ahead and consider one of our discount dental plans. What I'm talking about is our $9.95 dental program we have on sale till May the 3rd. And why not, once again, get ahead of the game, get you an inexpensive dental plan for your entire household, dental, vision, prescription, and chiropractic services. And it covers all your dental services for your entire household. You can have that in place for $9.95. That way you can take advantage of the sale price. If you sign up for it now, it will not go back up to it will go back up to its $19.95 regular price. But if you are signed up at $9.95 at this time, that will stay and remain for the length of your membership. So it behooves you to look ahead, if at all possible. And I do realize other things are going on in the world with the virus, and you may have loved ones who have encountered this horrible virus, and you're thinking about other things. But once things are relaxed a little bit, and we're feeling a lot safer about going out in the community, one of the things we're going to be wanting to do is get to the barber shops and get to the dentists and go out and to the gyms and all that sort of thing. But right now, we want you to think about what are you going to do to keep your family up to date with the proper dental care. And we realize how important it is to keep your gums and so forth healthy. So please think about looking at our program, our discount dental program for $9.95 for your entire household. There's information at the bottom of this video. And I hope you have a safe and prosperous day. Stay safe and don't go out any more than you have to. Thank you. Have a great day.